Procrastination is not laziness. It's a response to struggle. If you've ever put off tasks that could improve your life, it's not because you're lazy. Procrastination is often a response to deeper struggles like fear, overwhelm, or even depression. Now, for caregivers, the weight of daily responsibilities can make even simple tasks feel impossible. You might hesitate to take steps that could create positive change because you're mentally exhausted or worried about adding more to your plate. But here's the truth. Small, consistent actions can still lead to significant progress. You don't need to do it alone. Just start with one step, and that step is to join the Legacy Builder Blueprint today and start earning online. Remember, progress isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself, even on tough days. Contact me now via email, my website or DM, or by commenting on this video, and let me show you how easy it really is.